Learning medicine online doesn't need to be lonely. This video shows you how you can invite people into the virtual environment so that you can study with your medical colleagues, otherwise known as friends, in virtual reality. It's pretty obvious that it's good to study with other people. That's one of the parts that I like about the potential of virtual reality, is that you can get all of the benefits of online learning. Just unlimited practice, automated scoring, you're not hurting anyone. You can try again and again and again without risk of annoying your attending physician. Most of those things you can already do learning online. But with VR, you get the chance to do that in a shared environment with other friends and colleagues. When I went to medical school, my brother-in-law was going to a different medical school. He was about an hour and a half away. And so that would have been great to be able to hop in the evenings after we put our kids to bed and to practice virtual OSCEs together. So we're going to search for my friend, Alejandro. He's our CTO. Okay, great, there he is. Ordinarily what I would do, I would click this button here to follow him, and then he would follow me back, and we're officially friends. Cute, right? To find your friends, you'll need their Meta ID, and then you'll search for the Meta ID. You can see here on my friend, that's his Meta ID. To find yours, go to your profile, and there you can see mine, Dr. Darth. For our main menu, you'll select multiplayer, then host. You're now the host of the party. So this is your server. And you can tell that you're the host by looking down and seeing the Batman utility belt around your waist. You can put your stethoscope here and other things like the reflex hammer. As the host, you're the one that interacts with the patient and whose score is affected based on the scenario. You can take turns being the one who's actually performing the physical exam by just switching hosts. In your own world, if you want to invite people in, you'll do so by opening up the tablet, again using that Oculus button on your controller, and then you'll press invite. You'll see that a list of my friends pops up, and then I can select who I'd like to invite and send out the invite. Or another way to do it is that if you just press the menu button for the headset itself, you'll see this MedValley user interface, then this icon button here with the person, and the plus button will again pull up your friends menu so you can select who you'd like to invite. Friends menu, what's that? Once you've sent that invite, your friend will have this appear in their message inbox from you. They just need to click on that, and then they'll enter your OSCE clinic. On this note of not being alone in virtual reality, we're going to be having our first live streaming with Dr. Brian Carson. He's an emergency physician out of the UK who's going to be presenting on the basics of physical examination. And so that'll be a great one. You can ask lots of questions. Good chance to learn physical exams from somebody who does a lot of them. And I like it because it's the start of some of these events where we're going to be bringing together educators and students in a shared virtual environment. Again, you'll need to be friends with them in order for this to work. If you don't have any friends, or I should say, if you don't have any virtual friends, obviously you hopefully have friends in the real world. Hey, I don't have many friends in VR either. Look, 22. What I'm getting at is that if there's an interest on your end as students to be connected with other students who want to study and practice together in VR, we can arrange that. So this is the basics of entering VR. If you like what we're prescribing, auscultate that subscribe button, or go and join the community membership to support so we can build more and more great content. The next video goes on to show how we calculate your level in MedValley so you can see how you're doing across a range of subjects.